Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to create a drop-down list in Google Sheets, and that way you could choose what items are the only selections for that particular cell. So in our example here, we have the days of the week here, or day of the week, and in the column or cell below it we want to add Monday through Friday. We don't want to be able to choose Saturday or Sunday when we send this out, so we're going to create a drop-down list here. So here's how you do it. So you want to click on the cell, you want to add the list, go to the Data menu, Data Validation, and change this from list arrange to list of items, and then type in the days with commas. So we'll do Monday through Friday with commas. Okay, so we have our days of the week typed in with commas, as you can see there, and we're going to click on Save. So now when somebody goes to the cell, there's the drop-down list here, and then they can only pick the days that you have selected there. So you could do this with other values, of course. You don't have to do days of the week. And if they try and change it, let's say they put in Sunday, they're going to get an error here saying invalid, and they're going to have to pick something else, but they could still leave that there. So if you want to change that, you could make it so they're forced to pick one of these items here. So let's go back here. So back in the same menu here, on invalid data from show warning, you want to change it to reject input, and then click on Save. So now, if we try and type in something here, we get an error here. Violates the data validation rules of the cell. Enter one of the following values. So that way they're forced to put it in there. So once again, data validation, change this to list of items, put in your values with commas, and then you'll be good to go. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.